This is screencast. We will look at how to find the volume of a cylinder. How is a cylinder, um, you know, differ from a piston? Well, pistons and cylinders are similar, because they have two parallel bases. Um, they're different though in terms of the shape of the bases. For pistons, you have polygons for the parallel bases, but for cylinders, you have circles. Um, will the formula still work for a cylinder? Well, remember the formula for volume that I taught you previously? It's base area times the piston height. But in this case, we're going to use the height of the cylinder. And even though a cylinder is oblique, such as this one, well, we can't use the segment from the centers of the bases as the height because it's not perpendicular to the base. So instead, we're going to get the height, the external height, the distance from here, perpendicular to the line containing the radius. So when you find the volume, use the same formula, but since the base is a circle, you're going to use the formula for area of a circle, which is pi r squared. So for letter A, you get pi, and then r, which is the radius, is 9, right? So that, squared. So the base area will become 81 pi. So to find the volume, you multiply the base area times the height of the cylinder, which is 9. So you get 81 pi times 6. So the total would be 486 pi. If you round that off to the nearest tenth, so go ahead and do that in your calculator. I could do it on mine. So this will become 1,526.8 cubic feet. So that's the volume of the first cylinder. Now for the second cylinder, so let's find the base area by using the same formula. The radius is 4, so this will become 16 pi. So to find the volume, base area times side of the cylinder, you get 16 pi times 7. So this will become 112 pi. So go ahead, let's do that in the calculator. 112 times 3.14, and round that off to nearest 10. It will be approximately 351.9 cubic centimeters. Alright, so that's how you find the volume of a cylinder.